Hello again. It's such a pleasure to be back with yet another episode of Unboxing with Veesham. In this series, we shine a spotlight on incredible brands that have trusted us with their print and packaging. We also take a closer look at what they do and what makes them truly special. Today, we're unboxing a long-time favorite of ours, Madame Choux. This brand has been with us for years, growing not only in the delightful range of products they offer, but also in the sophistication of their packaging. From their signature cream puffs that melt in your mouth to delicate macarons, exquisite pastries, decadent cakes, and so much more, Madame Choux has mastered the art of indulgence. Now, take a look at the stunning packaging, all crafted here at our press. From beautifully designed macaron boxes to elegant containers for cream puffs and pastries. Look at this gorgeous cake box and their paper bags with screen printing. Every detail speaks of precision and care. It's a packaging experience as refined as the treats inside. I've personally tried their pastries and I recommend you try them too. You can experience Madame Choux at the fabulous Deepchika Food Hall in Nakheel Mall, or order their creations straight to your doorstep to share with your loved ones. So, what are you waiting for? Go treat yourself to a slice of heaven. Well, if you are building a brand and want packaging that tells your unique story, get in touch with me. Who knows, you might be the next featured brand on this channel. Until next time, happy unboxing!